Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to share a kit that I am putting together for my 12 cards one kit, but this will be 10 only because the kit that I bought only comes with 10 card bases in it. So this is the kit. Is what everything is based off of, and it's close to my heart, and it's called the Merry Everything card kit. And so it comes with the pre-made cards, and they're simple. I mean, they're blank on the inside. They have that dark grayish black on the outside. They have these circles with gold embossed edging on them to put in the center to create the cards that look like that. I mean, it looks like they're popped up on here, and then of course it comes with the envelopes. And so what I've decided to do is I never like to make just standard cards based on what they look like here. So what I'm going to do is add in a few things. First thing that caught my eye was adding in this gold and silver, not twine, sewing thread. I have both of these. I mean, they were pretty cheap. I think like $1 a roll at, they're the Coats and Clark brand from Walmart, like $1 a roll. And so I have these, and I plan to use these maybe like making almost a bird's nest type thing behind this. So we'll see that center embellishment. I'm adding in some embossing powder. I'm adding black, and I'm adding gold. This one is close to my heart. This one is Zing. I have the gold in the close to my heart, but it's pretty flat. It doesn't have a lot of shine to it, and this one, the Zing, really does. And so I've added both of those in. Added in some washi tape. I have black and gold stripe. I have this metallic green, and then I have this glitter green. I don't know if I'll use these or how I will be able to use these, but I'm going to put them with this. I added in a ton of these bitty blings that I have. They are from Want to Scrap, and I have the blue color, I have cream pearls, I have clear, green, and white pearls, and red. Then I added in some stamps. These are all new ones that I just got recently, and it's quite literally to be stamped on the inside of this circle. I have a little Santa, or a little Saint Nick, this one that says ho ho ho, happy ho 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 to you, Merry Christmas, Merry everything, and happy always, and warm wishes and mistletoe kisses. I pulled in some that I had from last year, Merry Christmas, Joy, Merry and Bright, and Happiest Holidays. Then these are just sentiments for stamping inside the cards. And then just to dress them up a little bit more, I added in a couple of sheets of glitter cardstock. These first three here, or these first two, the gold and the red, are from Dollar Tree, and they're very flimsy. They're not thick at all. Not sure if you can tell, but this cardstock, this glitter cardstock, is almost two-tone. This is a piece that I had that was a scrap, and you can tell it's a little bit off center here too, where they meet up. I probably got it as a seconds pack or something, or it may have come from the Dollar Tree, I don't remember. But I had it in with my Christmas supplies, so I thought I'd pull these pieces in. And I'm also pulling in some dies. This one are the standard large circles from Spellbinders. These are a doily lacy circles by Spellbinders, and these are from Stamps of Life, and they are stitched circles. So I'm going to cut some of these glitter papers out with these dies, and then I'll put these cards together, and I will come back and I will show you what I have created once I get them done. I created with my little mini kit that I put together with the pre-made card kit from Close to My Heart. I started out with this card kit, which came with the card bases, the little centerpiece here, the circle with the gold foiling on it, and then that was it. And so I added in a few things. I added in some green glitter tape, the green metallic tape, and then the black and gold metallic tape. And then I added in a ton of stamps, and I added in some thread and some bling. Okay, so I added in my silver and gold thread, and then bling, flat back pearls, and gems. And I have clear, red, white, green. The blue I thought would work with the blue in the background of the cards, but this is actually more blue than this is more turquoise. So I didn't use any of that, but I think I used all the others. Stamp wise, I added in quite a few stamps, and I did use quite a few. And I did heat embossing, and I pulled out my gold and black, my gold zing, and then my black close to my heart. I didn't use the black, but I did use the gold, and it's glittered. So I made a complete and utter mess. And I did take some glitter cardstock, and I punched and quick cuts dies. I took my stitch circles, my regular circles, and some scallop circles. So I took them all and I punched out with just scraps. I punched out the circles. I think I had taken one full sheet of the glitter, the green glitter cardstock, and that's why I have so many left over. And I ended up, I had tested out a sentiment on one extra of these, and it's one that I started with and I messed it up, so I didn't use that. But I had one that I embossed left, and it just says Merry Christmas. So I have that left over. And then while I did these while I was on retreat, and so I picked up another little card kit from Tuesday morning. We were out and about shopping during the retreat, and this is a DIY card kit from American Crafts, and it had 6 card bases and 6 envelopes, and it came with the little bits and pieces of embellishment. And so what I did was I just went through and I used the same supplies on those. So let me show you the cards I created. This one I used the red glitter paper with the stitching background. I use a silver thread, and then I use the clear gems on the background. And I popped that up with some foam squares. And then on the inside I used the washi tape and one of the Santa stamps, the Santa head stamp, and then the Happy Ho 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 to You. Those were separate stamps. And then I stamped the Santa Claus on the front of all the different envelopes, as well as did the same sentiment on the inside of all the envelopes, or all the cards. And it's the same as the washi tapes are the same, and I punched out with some scraps the gold glitter stars. I punched those out with some dies, but all the insides are the same, only the fronts are a little different. This one, again, the silver string, the silver thread, I nested behind it. Used, this is just a circle cut out with glitter paper, and this says Merry Everything and Happy Always, and then clear bling on the front. Again, clear bling, excuse me, gold glitter paper, silver thread, and then Happiest Holidays. All of these on the front, the little piece here, are all popped up on foam adhesive. And again, same inside, same card front or envelope front. Here I use the red bling, and it says Merry Everything and Happy Always. I used the gold thread. I used a stitched glitter red circle and then a scallop green circle, and just layered those back behind. And I'm okay that they're not 100% lined up perfect. It's okay. Nothing fancy here. This one says Merry Christmas, and I love that zing embossing powder. It is so glittery and sparkly. This one has the white pearls in the background and the gold string. Again, gold stitch circle, as well as red embossed circle shape behind it, and then Merry Christmas. This one says Warm Wishes and Mistletoe Kisses. And then the white pearl bling, gold thread, glitter paper behind, same interior. These are the cream colored flatback pearls, and again, just same as the others. Again, another Merry Christmas, and with the cream color or beige color bling, and then this one had the green bling. And it's not the same color green, and that's okay. I can count this. My series has been 12 cards. One kit, 12 cards. One homemade kit, 12 cards. And so with this one, the kit came with 10 cards. So rather than try and create more cards out of what I had, the supplies that I had left, what I opted to do was buy that one card kit from Tuesday Morning from American Crafts. And I just created these cards. Now these came with the Christmas trees already layered up and cut down the front, or sewed down the front. I added a piece of washi tape behind the Merry and Bright sentiment, and then added the gold star at the top. That was one of the embellishments that came with. And again, on the inside, I stamped them all the same. Merry Everything and Happy Always. I used the same washi tapes and then the stars that I cut out, and stamped the envelope with the Santa on the front. And these are all the exact same. There's nothing creative with these, but they are handmade. They are homemade. I did make these. And this one I had stamped, I think I had stamped it like this, and so I just added a piece of cardstock in there and then added everything on top of that. Sometimes you get busy, you get chatting and you're drinking wine and you do things, you go, ah, what was I thinking? Yeah, so that's 6 more cards. So I actually got 16 Christmas cards done while I was at retreat. And anyway, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching my video. I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And I hope I inspired you to get some of your stash out and use it up. Anyway, thanks guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.